Get it. Get your toy. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on. You get it. Come on. You get it. Good girl. Come on. Get it.
This goes beyond just the World War II level, though. This is like a big dream for me. So let's say we narrow it down to a collection and keep that and move the rest outside. Because for me, I know what sells. And what sells are collectibles. So can I have most
Yay.
for the sale?
Yay. Here. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Jenilyn. Go get it. Come on. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Come on. Go get your toy. Come on. Right here. Go get your toy. Come on. Get your toy. Come on. Come here, Jenilyn. Come. Get your toy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Jenilyn. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. You got your toy now. You got your toy. Here.
I'm looking over here. I'm not really taking direction from
No,
here.
I'm looking.
I'm getting some things done.
I'm not keeping paperbacks.
Excuse me.
You better be glad I wasn't there to see that. That man has more to sort through than Clark.
Go get your toy.
More than half of the stuff. So, I'm hoping he
Are you crawling? Are you crawling? Are you crawling? Come over here. You want to come over here? Come here, Jenilyn. Come. Come. Look. Look at your toy. There. Get your toy. Come on.
You still want that? That's not how this works.
It's going to be an interesting day.
Baby Jenilyn. Get your toy.
Ultimately pared his things down. We've got them out here and they are